Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York, and today we are back in fabulous Las Vegas. Not on the Strip, but we're going to continue to check out some hotels and casinos off the Strip. Today we're downtown, or I should say tonight we're downtown on the Fremont Street Experience to check out the Golden Nugget Hotel and Casino. The Golden Nugget is one of the favorites of mine down here on the Fremont Street Experience. I just love the casino, I love the restaurants as well as the bars and lounges, and a pool, which they call the Shark Tank, has won many awards. It's a great place. Let's go inside and check it out, shall we? The Golden Nugget is owned and operated by Landry's Incorporated. That's right, Landry's, the restaurant people. It has 2,419 hotel rooms. It was originally built in 1946, making it one of the oldest casinos in Las Vegas. Not the oldest, but one of the oldest. Jackie Gauguin at one time owned a stake in the Golden Nugget as part of his many downtown properties. Steve Wynn, where have we heard that name before, bought a stake in the Nugget, which he increased so that in 1973 he became the majority shareholder and the youngest casino owner in Las Vegas, and purchased the neighboring California Club in 1973 and combined the two properties under the Golden Nugget banner. This is Mitzi, the Rubber Ducky Showgirl, who shows up on all my Vegas videos. As most of you know, there are hidden mascots, or some of you call them Easter eggs, in my videos. Mitzi shows up in all the Vegas ones. Sometimes she's easy to spot, other times she's quite elusive, so keep your eyes open while watching the video. If you spot her, note the time in the comments below, and if you're the first one, you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video. And a shout out to Jim, Susan, and Sam Blake, who found Frankie the Flip-Flop in my latest Jersey Shore video, Ocean City Downtown. It's a Jersey Shore series featured on the weekends here on the New York channel. If you haven't checked it out, check it out next weekend, or just go back and watch some previous videos from that series. As I mentioned earlier, the Golden Nugget has lots of good restaurants, especially for a downtown hotel and casino. They include, I'm assuming most of these are Landry restaurants. They include Vic and Anthony's, Saltgrass Steakhouse, Chart House. A lot of these sound familiar because, well, they're at the Golden Nugget in Atlantic City as well, which is also owned by Landry's. There's also the Grotto Italian Restaurant, CJ's, Red Asian Cuisine, Cadillac Mexican Kitchen. There's also a Chick-fil-A here, one of the first in Las Vegas. There's also a place called The Grill, and of course, a Starbucks. Hey guys, I hope you're enjoying the video, and if you are, give it a thumbs up, and while you're at it, if you're not subscribed to the New York channel already, subscribe right now. It really does help the channel out. And while you're at it, if you'd like to support the New York channel, just click on that thanks button right underneath the video. I appreciate your support, guys. And don't forget, click on that thanks button, get a shout out on an upcoming video. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.